2, babe. So I'm gonna go ahead and start part 2, but I'm gonna speed this video up right now because I'm gonna go put some makeup on. We're getting ready to go play mini golf and eat some seafoods, and I will see you guys back downstairs. Hey everyone, so it's future Caitlin here. So I'm gonna import some pictures that I took from last night when I went out with my friends and family, and that I took on the boardwalk of the Ferris wheel, and then I will show you what I did today. So keep enjoying the video. What's up everybody? So we are going to go ahead and start this video off a little late in the day. Today's our last day here in Myrtle Beach. Me and my aunt are on our way to go take a helicopter fun ride tour. I'm so excited. A little nervous, but I'm excited as much as I can, and I'm sure I'll have all kinds of hilarious pictures of the look on my face. So sit back, relax, get something good to eat, and enjoy the video.
At the light, use the left 2 lanes to turn onto North Kings Highway.
We're here. I'm excited and I'm nervous, but I'm excited. I'm marking something off my bucket list.
Flight options for you to choose from. Everything's going to be color coded. The one above will take you over the ocean. The first one is our introductory tour, so that just takes you right around the surrounding area. Okay. Thank you. You're welcome.
Alright guys, so we are here. We are all ready to go. We got our boarding pass. Yes. Right now I am so freaking excited to do this. I can't see straight. This has been on my bucket list for so long, and I'm about to achieve it. But I'm scared out of my wits at the moment because I'm about to really find out how terrified I am of heights, or if I am. But I'm getting ready to go across the ocean. So I am so excited, nervous, excited, but it's gonna be a great time. So I'm gonna try to record as much as I can, and it should be a great time. Getting ready to go for the helicopter. So trust me too, I'm totally excited to go home and see my fur baby, my cat, Henry. But like, you don't get too many chances, I feel like, to go on the beach. You don't get a lot of chances to go to the beach if, you know, you don't have a whole lot of money and stuff, which, that's not here nor there. But like, seriously, like, I'm afraid of getting stung by a jellyfish. But you know what I mean? Like, it's the freaking ocean, dude. Like, we're at the ocean. And it's beautiful. So you don't get these chances very often, and you might as well take them while you got them. So if you ever get to come to the beach, make sure that you live the best life. Or when it's your time to go, make sure you come to the beach to die. That's what I'm planning to do. I'm going to the beach to die. But I'm gonna spin myself. Just like do that. Alright guys, so it's that day that I've been dreading ever since I got to the beach. I'm leaving. I really am considering one day I'm gonna watch this video again, I hope, and realize that I'm gonna buy myself a freaking beach house, and I'm moving as close to the ocean as I can, unless I'm gonna be in the actual ocean itself. So that is that situation. Sorry, I'm trying to, like, I love the beach and I love the ocean, and it's so warm this morning. Like, the ocean is warm. So I'm just gonna shut up and show you guys the water and